In this video, we are going to learn what is pivot table. First of all, I will tell you definition of pivot table and then I will explain you with our current worksheet example. Pivot table is a powerful tool to calculate, summarize and analyze data that lets you see comparison, pattern and trends in your data. So this is the definition of pivot table. Now let us understand this definition with our current worksheet, and that worksheet name is sales data. In this sales data worksheet we can see that data is so huge, it is up to 448 rows. See over here, 448 rows. So to summarize and analyze this huge data, it is time consuming and little bit complicated also. So to make this job more easy and systematically, Excel has introduced the power of pivot table. Beside this huge database, one table is there, this one, and that table is prepared with the help of pivot table. So we can see how systematically this pivot table is designed. It gives us brief description month-wise in row label over here, and give product wise in column label over here, and in between there is value of sales over here. And below there is a grand total of all product month wise over here. So this is the magic of pivot table. It calculates, summarize and analyze so well that big data look very small. As pivot table make job so easy, we can easily evaluate the big data and make more wise decisions. From next lecture onward, we will learn about pivot table in more detail.